In this video, I will show you how to add your Threads badge to Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. So first, what you're going to want to do is open up Instagram on your device. And what you want to do is click onto your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. So you'll notice underneath my profile, I've got this badge here, which is the Threads badge. So it's the Threads logo with some numbers. So if we press onto this, what people can do when they visit my Instagram profile, they can click onto this and they can click onto that to view my Threads profile. So to add this, all you need to do is add Threads to your account. To do that, just come back to Instagram, and what you want to do is click onto the three lines in the top right hand corner and press onto Threads. Now, of course, I've already got Threads on my device, but if you don't, you just want to go through and get Threads. So once you've gone ahead and you've got Threads and you set that up, what's going to happen is when you next go onto Instagram, you will notice on your profile that this badge is added automatically. So what you can do as well is remove this badge if you want to, just by pressing onto it and clicking onto hide badge. But if you do hide the badge, you will not be able to get that back. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.